Inconsequential Story Hour. I hate my friends. Nicely, in the nicest way possible. Because years ago, I used to play golf. Well, just found out one of my friends who moved here to Louisville from Myrtle Beach, like a month or two after I did. He plays golf now. So, of course, because I don't know how long you guys watch this channel, I might be a bit competitive. Yeah. Of course, I had to break out the clubs. Haven't played in about a decade, a little less, but about a decade. And yeah, so now I'm also sore from going in driving range. Yep. Good news is I do not have an addictive personality, and I did not buy a whole bunch of stuff, like a new bag or a putter. I blame my father because he stole all my clubs. And well, now I have my exact clubs I used to play with about a decade ago. Again. Just had to buy them again. Also, almost spent $1,000 on new clubs, even though I haven't really played with these clubs, which I haven't even played with the old clubs I had more than 10 times. So, what do? You immediately buy new clubs. I did not, though. I withheld. But I shoot ping. I'm sure people who watch this channel play golf. What do you guys shoot? It's out of curiosity. I'm a huge ping guy. Circa 2010 G15s. They're about 15 years old. Well, the G15 is about 15 years old. I do like the 440s. I was trying to talk myself out of earlier today. Trying not to spend $1,000 on. It's a little more if you know pricing, but I didn't want a couple of clubs. Anyway, I'm going in. Gonna make some pierogies. Join me in the morning or afternoon. Whenever I start recording, I actually have to edit Monday's video, which is not this one. It's the teardown of this one, the predecessor to this. Got to edit that and get that ready. So, but this will run tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'm supposed to do something tomorrow. Anyway, I'll be back. More Inconsequential Story Hour. We're going to turn this into an unboxing video for dumb stuff I buy. I think I've said in this episode already that I am back to playing golf. And like all hobbies, they get expensive. We'll say not a paid promotion. I will. Oh, you can probably read the box, but I'll tell you if they're any good or not. As far as a company goes, I needed new, nice packaging. I needed new wedges. So, I did the right thing like any hobby I have. Gonna have to get them re-gripped. They already don't have the same grips, which is fine. All right. Ping Orange Dot Glide Forge Pro. It's a raw. Yes, it is supposed to look like this. Which one was this one? That's 60. I like the grip on that one. I don't on this one. Nice packaging. Again, boop. Another Glide Pro. And yeah, I shoot orange dots. It's the lie. Yeah, I'll get this one re-gripped. It's funny enough, these grips match all my other pings. I do like the red one though. Yeah, this one's a 58. It goes with my trusty Rusty. Huh. This company does have great pricing, just to let you know. They rank them, not paid promotion, but if you play golf, check them out. It's their, Second Swing Golf. Find them online. I just happened to come across them. And, well, you can get basically any club you want. This one cost me $36 or whatever. It was fair condition, I think they said, or below average. And it's a little hammered. And this one was $50. Did I spend $50 on this one? I thought I spent less. This one is, I think, average. Oh no, here we go. This one's below average. And this one is below, yeah, both of them below average. 34, yeah, about right. So, anywho, I'm gonna keep putting this thing back together.